cool down. To become calmer or less angry or become less hot. He went outside to cool down after the argument. Let the car engine cool down first. Pass around. To give something to many people one after another. The teacher passed around the papers. Please pass around the snacks. Shoot for. To try to achieve something. We should shoot for higher sales. I am shooting for better grades this year. Take off. To leave the ground, airplane, or become successful quickly. The airplane took off on time. His business started to take off. Kick out. To force someone to leave a place. The teacher kicked out the noisy student. The restaurant kicked out the rude customer. Break away. To escape or separate from something. He wanted to break away from bad habits. The bird broke away from the cage. Turn down. To refuse something or lower something. She turned down the job offer. Dad turned down the TV volume. Run around. To move from place to place quickly or stay very busy. I ran around all day doing errands. Parents run around preparing parties. Run through. To practice, review, or quickly go over something. Let's run through the presentation once more. We should run through the safety rules.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!